Hi, I'm going to show you how I clean my fireplace. It's the spring right now, and I've developed some ash here from the fires that I've been using in the fireplace. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take out some of the ash, put them into this bucket here, and put it in my compost pile to decompose. But I'll also try to leave a layer of ash on the fireplace, because when I have fires, you don't want the heat of the fire to go directly on the bricks. Having a layer of ash there will do a couple of things. It will protect the bricks, but it'll also add some, that layer of ash will act as a shield, and it'll actually be able to reflect the heat back into the room where you want it. So it's really easy right now. Here's the fireplace, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start scooping out the ash. Put it into this bucket like so. It's that easy. So now this is wood ash. It actually is good for the compost. There's not a lot of harmful ingredients here because it's all natural, and there's no nitrogen in wood ash, so it won't burn your plants when you place the compost on your grass or on your flower beds. I like lighting fireplaces a lot, so one of my videos on my YouTube channel is how to use the upside down fire. If you don't know what that is, you should click on it. I'm going to add a link to that. So here's my fireplace after I've cleaned it up. You'll see that the ash pile is a lot lower now. I still have that 1 or 2 inch layer of ash on the bottom. That allows me to protect the bricks, but it also acts as a layer of insulation to reflect the heat back into the room where you want it. This is a cast iron fire back that I got. It's actually got a pineapple image on the back. So that's doing the same thing with the fireplace on the back. It's acting as a protection for the brick, but it's also cast iron, so it reflects heat back here. I know that a lot of you guys have other ideas on how to clean your fireplace best. Share any tips or comments in the comments below. I'd love to hear from them. I'm sure you guys have great ideas. So here's my compost pile. I put a lot of your yard waste here, leaves, foliage that I put back. And ash from my fireplace. So that's how I clean my fireplace and what I do with the ashes in my compost pile. The compost pile is great because you can recycle a lot of yard waste, ash, and food scraps, and use that compost in September when you harvest it to add as fertilizer for your lawn or for your garden. It's great. I hope you liked this video. I hope you learned something today. If you guys have any tips on how to clean your fireplace, I'm sure you have great ideas. I'd love to hear from you. Put them in the comments below. And if you like this video, please click like, comment, or subscribe. Oh, and by the way, I'm going to put the link for the upside down fire here on this video as well. Please click on that. Thanks.